Okay, class. Now we are going to georeference our ungeoreferenced raster. We are going back to our previous lesson, which is this one, decimal degree, and now we will georeference the degree, minutes, second. And let's click layer georeference, and we add the raster. This one, DMS, open. Just maximize it. Yeah, you can see this is the same area, so we will reference with this point 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's get started. Don't forget to click at point. We scroll in 1, scroll out, and we put the east value, which is 64 degree. Just hit space. 18 minutes, just hit space and 0. If you don't want to put 0, it's okay. And then north now, 4 space 3 6 space 0, and okay. 1 is GCP table. We have entered 1 and 2 here, and scroll out to see the value of east. 101 space 12 space 0, and 4 space 36 space 0 north here, and okay. And the second point, and the third one is this one. Click, scroll out to see the value of east. East is 101 space 12 space 0, and you can hit tab in your keyboard to jump to the next box. And this is 0 0 0, and okay. Yep, and 3 is enough, but I would like to lock it, confirm it. That is the, I think that's a good practices to use 4 more than 3 points. So we use 4 points. 9 4 space 18 space 0 and 0. Okay, now we click the transformation settings and let it default, except this one. And we put it in our georeference folder, and okay, and leave it as is, and we hit okay. Restore down, and we have to click start georeferencing to execute all the GCP table here, and go. Yes, we have another georeferenced raster here, and in the folder in the browser panel we have additional modified .tif, which is DMS. Okay, we can close it and discard. Let's check it together, and here we click on district to confirm that it is working, it is overlapped correctly. Yep. I'm super happy with this. And this is the end of the lesson how to georeference raster image with degree, minute, second information. And I'll see you soon.